আমরা প্রথমে দেখো হ্যালো I wish a very good morning everyone. This is Mr. X before you to present myself, and I am the second son of my parents named Abdul Karim and Fatima Khatun. I passed successfully my secondary school certificate examination from AK school in 2016. I got GPA 5 also in ACC examination from BL College in 2018. You will be astonished to hear that I have a hobby, peculiar hobby, that is collecting coin. And in near future, I have a dream job. That means I want to be a charming and charismatic preacher. Okay, and I am feeling lucky. I am feeling lucky to present here, and greetings from my heart for everyone. Thank you very much.